saw them. Anyway, just a little peek at it. In 20 and 21, this is a hit and miss engine. Ottawa made a throttle governed 5 horse. This is 2.5 horse. So anyway, sitting there purring pretty good. The guy that I got it off of said that it hadn't been running about 10 or 15 years. But I will say, I worked all day cleaning it up.